Hello everybody, I am Aissa, and as you know, I will read you a story about sleeping. So let's start. The animal world is full of urban nappers. Grab a blanket, tuck it, and get ready to relax with some super cute cushions. Yawn, it's time for bed, and this puppy is ready to sleep. Puppies can spend almost half of the day sleeping. Ducks tuck in their beaks when they nap. Their feathers keep them warm and cozy. Koalas can sleep all day long. Their tummies need the time to digest all the leaves they eat. Bears can also sleep for months without eating, drinking, or even pooping. Did you know that? Well, I didn't. This helps them save energy when there is not much food around. Others sleep while floating on the water. Sometimes they hold hands while sleeping to stick together. Dolphins doze off with one eye opened. This allows them to keep swimming and come up for air even while they sleep. Walrus sometimes go to sleep while floating on water. They anchor their jaws into the ice so they do not dry away. Simmer, a type of goon, sing after waking up every morning. The song tells others goon to stay awake, given like to have their own space. Horses can sleep standing up. While the herd swings on the ground, one horse naps standing up to guide them. Only like to get cozy, they make their beds every night with straws, leaves, and vines. Baby sheep like to cuddle up and sleep on top of each other. During cold nights, they stay warm like a big fluffy blanket. Most owls sleep during the day and are active at night. Animals that do this are called lemmings. Good night, cute animals. Tuck in the rest. It will be playtime when you finally wake up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe.